You people from sub-Saharan African nations, you execute and kill Christians. But I'm telling you, the God of the Christians are not tired of waiting for you to be reconciled to Him. He wanted you to love all people. You keep killing them, but dear God keeps loving you. He is not tired of loving you. One day, if you reconcile to Him, He will bring you to paradise. Why I am saying that He loves you? Because He is giving you the chance to go back to His embrace. The God of the Christians love you. That's why you still live and you are given the chance to be reconciled to Him.